If you are an international student here in Ireland, here are some key services that Ireland Employment Hub offers to help you boost your opportunities. At Ireland Employment Hub, our mission is to guide ELI school students towards professional success in Ireland. Our team is dedicated to help you in every step of the way, from writing your CV to connect you with local employers. But how does the Ireland Employment Hub process work? So first on the list, CV Workshop. On the first week, we will help you to create a professional CV specifically for the Irish job market. From formatting tips to highlighting the right experiences, we will cover essential adjustments that can make your CV stand out in Ireland's competitive job landscape. Next, let's talk about the Ireland Employment Hub platform. There you can upload your CV to gain access to job opportunities with local employers. You will receive an email from Hello, Ireland Employment Hub. You will see a login that you have to click to access the website. So once you click it, the website opens. So you will see home, about us, and all the information Ireland Employment Hub. And what you have to click is the yellow button that it says login. And there you will see your email and the password. You have to put the password in the email that we send you in the login. You click and you will have access to your profile. So now this is the point that you have to put your CV and your personal information. Then available to work, click check, and then save. And now you can access the career page and see all the jobs that we have available. Another great feature, community connections. With our WhatsApp group and ELI community platforms, you get real-time updates on job openings, events, and career tips. So what is the advantage of the WhatsApp group? Every single day, we post information about the jobs. We post the information about the events. Everything related to the job market is going to be in that WhatsApp group. Also, one of the links that we will send it to you is to have access to community. So once you open the menu of ELI community, and you will see the part that it says jobs. You have a Q&A, and also you have the job offers. And finally, I recommend days and job fairs. In these events, we bring students and employers together, creating connections for job placements. These services are designed to simplify your job search and support you in every step of the way. So if you are an ELI school student ready to start your journey in Ireland, head over to our website. We are your gateway to success in Ireland. Ireland Employment Hub. Start your professional journey today.